Good morning. Yes, it's nearly the end of the month and I've still not got an English video out. Here it is. Your early morning up here in Drieschta is beautiful. Sun comes up and the only person awake, but the animals are awake. Chickens are out, checking out what I'm doing today. Like, I'm going to cut that tree down to there today and that one over there as well. 2 dead trees going to cut down. I've been busy working on the food forest.
In the future, when there's no more fossil energy, how we gonna feed the masses? Have enough for you and me. Like today seems pretty good, like we came out on top.
Big shout out to my mate Stephen. Thank you very much, Stephen. You were part getting us to our goal with the crowdfunding. We are now going to be planting 100 trees and bushes. And to my dad and to my brother and to everybody else who joined in the crowdfunding. Big shout out to you because we made it. We achieved our goal of 5,000 Swiss francs. And we will now be planting from the 1st to the 6th of November. We will be planting 2 food forests and some natural hedges. And those natural hedges and the food, we've been getting everything ready this month.
But I wonder how we're gonna get down. Just gotta be careful we don't drop. Take it slow. Make it small and slow. To avoid the confusion, use small and slow solution. Yeah. In your front yard, you can grow most of your food.
We've also been building stairs.
In a space the size of your driveway. Doesn't have to be huge. Plant a seed, watch it grow. It'll feed you, just let it go. Don't want the pain, too much to maintain. So stay inside the right size and take it slow. Make it small and slow. Who needs the green revolution when you got small and slow solution? Yeah.
We carried on with the donkeys. We got a new cock.
When we quit our oil addiction, how we gonna get around?
Danke.
Yeah, it's been a busy month and that's why I've not come out with this video, but please do like and subscribe so you never miss anything. Lots of good things coming. And what else do we do? We've been at the bar, obviously. We're still very, very happy with our bar. And that's my next job, opening up the bar. Every single day since it's been open, all but one, somebody stopped and had a drink, so we're doing some good. And yeah, Fiona's grown, the chickens are grown, the cats are grown, they all share beds together and cuddle together.
Well, I think there's a small and slow solution, people, in this technology I found. It's called your feet, and they're pretty good for getting from A to B. It takes a bit longer, but your legs come out stronger, and there's lots of nice things to see when you take it slow. Make it small and slow.
Dennis.
Don't create no pollution with a small and slow solution. Yeah. Bigger isn't always better. Faster don't make you stronger. If we keep going the way we're going, oh, we won't be around for much longer.
And yeah, that has been our month. Sorry for being so late. The next video will probably be sooner in the month of November. But like I said, we're busy, we're doing things.
No. So instead of running towards a brick wall, why not walk instead and save your head? Bigger it is, the harder it falls. So keep it small, and take it slow. 'Cause the dream of unlimited growth is just a popular delusion. So use small and slow solution. Yeah.
And we're keeping up. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Any questions, any comments, please do bring in the comments. Subscribe, you know it helps. And yeah, see you next month.